Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to save you money without compromising on quality. The Easy Ink Pro LC203 compatible ink cartridge replacement. This particular set is a 6-pack, featuring 2 cyan, 2 magenta, and 2 yellow cartridges, designed to replace the Brother LC203 XL series. It's specifically made for a range of Brother MFCJ printers, including popular models like the MFCJ480DW, MFCJ880DW, MFCJ4420DW, MFCJ680DW, and MFCJ885DW. One of the biggest draws of compatible ink is, of course, the cost savings. Easy Ink Pro aims to deliver that without the common headaches often associated with third-party cartridges. Users often find that installation is straightforward. These cartridges typically snap right into place, just like the original Brother ones, with the printer recognizing them without any fuss or error messages. This seamless integration is crucial for a stress-free printing experience, avoiding those frustrating, non-genuine cartridge warnings that can sometimes plague compatible options. When it comes to print quality, this is where many compatible brands can fall short, but Easy Ink Pro generally holds its own. For everyday documents, school projects, and even vibrant color graphics, the output is surprisingly consistent and clear. Colors tend to be bright and true to life, and text appears sharp, without smudging or bleeding. While a professional photographer might notice the most minute differences compared to OEM ink on specialized paper, for the vast majority of home and small office users, the quality is more than adequate, often indistinguishable from the original. It consistently produces prints that are perfectly acceptable for presentations, reports, and family photos. Being an XL replacement, these cartridges are designed to offer a higher page yield, meaning more prints per cartridge. This translates to fewer replacements and even greater savings over time. The ink flow is usually reliable, preventing clogs and ensuring that every print comes out as expected, from the first page to the last. This reliability is a key factor for anyone who depends on their printer for consistent output, whether it's for work or personal use. The consistent performance across all colors in the pack ensures that users don't have to worry about one color running out significantly faster or performing worse than the others. In conclusion, for anyone with a compatible Brother MFCJ series printer looking to cut down on their printing costs without sacrificing significant quality or reliability, the Easy Ink Pro LC203 compatible ink cartridges present a compelling option. It's a practical, budget-friendly solution that consistently delivers good results, making it a smart choice for everyday printing needs. It truly offers a viable alternative to the often expensive original manufacturer cartridges, proving that you don't always have to pay a premium for quality printing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.